Yes, the program na yarn your own. And my name na Nkubi. The program where they give na the opportunity to do it in, to talk things where they on our mind, the way it affect una, the way it affect us, the way it affect everybody. I welcome now for today's edition. And no believe me, the studio. I get my co-anchors them for studio.
Sharply, as usual.
Now, yeah, Sharply, welcome.
Yeah.
And I'm next to Sharply now.
Bodo.
I don't need to introduce them again. I don't know myself.
I never for you to talk with
Hey, tell people your name. Your name now, wait.
I think my name is Bodo.
Bodo.
They don't know us.
They don't know us. What they talk about. And then next to Bodo.
The one and only.
Big Bash. Big Bash. And then the next person we won't call now. We know they take too much strong voice. Call that. With the rest.
Solo.
The mama of the house.
My name now. My people, look at that, jolly,
Anyway, I welcome you for today's edition of Yarn Your Own. As usual, we could first go show now this clip from Baba Tope, and the title of this one now, I Am Not Drunk. They come. Wani kilomu, wani Coca-Cola.
Baba Tope, where are you coming from?
Yeah, Toko, why are you dressed so naked, eh?
It's true. You are drunk.
Oh, but get drunk,
Who is that intruder? Baby.
I said I'm going to that room.
What was that voice?
Don't dare change the subject.
What was that voice I just said?
Hey, man. Don't dare change the subject.
Was that the voice of a man or...
Don't change the subject, I tell you.
What do you mean by object? Object or subject?
Anyone.
Let me enter this room.
You will not.
Let me... I am entering this room.
You
look.
Who is that intruder now?
Hey.
Sorry. So, it is even you. You know what? Sorry, early. Sorry, late. Early rather. But you know what? I will make it up with you. Let's go and have some drink. Huh? Huh? Shift time.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, welcome back. The program as we talk now, yarn your own, and then now see that clip we will show now.
You say you are not
I'll
drunk.
ask you. God bless you. You are not drunk.
What do you do?
No, it's not drunk.
I don't
He's not drunk, but you don't see us.
I don't understand myself.
See the man.
I was not drunk. Now, bad thing they happen to
See.
person help you manage your wife.
Wait. Let this guy explain himself before we go on the break.
Okay.
He said let's watch this clip. I am not drunk. You are not drunk. Then what are you, Jerry?
Sharply. If I say you like to flog me well for
No,
that.
you are 90%
Make we leave that time. Make we leave that time. You know, concern. I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. You know, concern.
Success. That's
Well,
why.
you know, don't see the clip, and then the matter what we talk about today. Now the matter of drinking and driving. The consequences were there inside. The consequences were there inside. You drink, and then some of us go even decide to do it in.
You for allow us break the thing one after the other. More start from drinking first.
Yeah, exactly.
See,
Anyway, what
drinking
takes
and driving na secondary, but the primary
now the drinking.
drinking. Because before you drive, you go drink.
Exactly.
Now that was me. I think I was supposed.
That not say before you drive. People they drink, they drive with their clear eyes, but drinking itself.
Sure,
And-
you know,
but the thing is this. The thing is this. She will not feel called to order the level of drink we would they drink.
How they want call it?
Nkubi, you see, if you talk of drink it get limit.
Okay.
Understand me? If a person can they drink, over drink, now it cause problem for that person.
Okay.
But if a person drink normally, drink and limit, he ain't gonna know himself. He ain't gonna know what they do. Understand me? Understand me? Like I was talking now, say drinking and driving. You get some limit where you go drink normally. You get yourself. Yeah, you know what they do. So you know what stop you for the drive.
But this can we ever have?
No,
can
it's saying drink get limit. Already when you drink, you go high. So what limit day? Because people don't even sabi how to drink this way they talk about. Once don't take one small shot, don't start to the eye.
Exactly.
So which kind of limit you want? Because I don't understand that limit where
But the thing is,
For
wait,
me, I wish it get limit.
well, but the thing is, what will be the causes of over drinking itself, sir? Because for drink, at least if now they buy drink, you can know say yes, you get the level. But if people they buy drink, they buy past themselves to an extent.
Some of these causes, greed, thoughts, frustration, excitement. So now all this thing they cause am.
If not of greed,
Exactly.
greed. This is Ojukokoro.
Ojukokoro.
That is greed, yes.
He would call about Anyuku.
Anyuku.
How person go to drink? He go to drink over drink with Anyuku.
You know, don't they cause those? What you
because
got to understand? Say, now if you see what they call, your people they call them Ifa.
When some people go buy,
If the person go they buy a drink, you don't see one. You go one drink, sit down.
Something where you no use your money for. You go drink now.
Exactly.
You go
Drink one.
you know, say, some people
He don't
you
do
go,
for you now.
Some people where they drink, if you meet them there, where you don't say, I don't do okay. If you say make them give you the money, they don't go give you.
But
That's
okay,
why
that is
some
for
people
greed.
they
Wait,
do.
one going to talk about frustration.
Okay.
Because now one of the this thing, now one of the causes of over drinking,
so many
frustration.
things that make people they drink. Greed as na first talk am. So the thing just dey enter your eye because no be your money take buy am. That kind of thing, I move the tear pocket. You go drink now, go enter gutter, go die. But you say frustration. Okay, fine. You are frustrated. Go back, Aba. Then you can't drink. You dey high. I bet the drink no go clear for your eye.
Chebi go sleep.
See,
Yes.
to me,
Frustration don't go.
to me,
Not the solution
to me, I
frustration.
feel accept say make a drink because you know person we don't dey frustrated. Maybe like for example, in a you get 2 days to in marriage and in boyfriend too, he can't catch in boyfriend with his wife together for this thing. What thing they don't do? They don't frustrate them now. That kind of person fit go hang himself for all this thing. So the person have to go drink.
If you drink,
Come out the thing for your this thing.
When he drink, sleep. Wake up.
If you
don't
wake up, you go forget am. You no go put am
if you drink, sleep.
This thing na from experience.
Okay. Somebody don't
Yes,
collect your
starting
wife.
from experience.
Wait, somebody collect your wife.
Yes.
No, say experience.
Yes.
Wait. Experience where you want share the experience.
Yes, na part of experience. Na him I talk so.
Okay.
So the person like he get 1 week to him wedding. He can't catch
Wetin
him.
come happen,
you
come
the
happen.
He can't catch there. That thing can't happen.
Anyway, now from that, in the stand from that.
I want ask her one question. Okay, now you don't drink.
Okay.
The girl where you won't marry, wait with another man. The girl die.
My yes.
Wait, answer the question.
The girl don't die.
The girl still day.
The guy still
After you
dey.
don't eye, the drink go there. I don't go see the girl again first.
But people where they drink get their own beliefs.
They
get the reason why they drink.
Now from the angle of Bodo, now from the angle of frustration,
yes, the angle of frustration.
Instead of that person to go maybe go hang yourself or go.
If you go kill yourself now, you don't 1 week.
Go commit society. To
marry, you catch your boyfriend and your girlfriend.
You don't console yourself.
Okay,
but some people they kill on top that thing.
Wait, bash. No one see the opposite of frustration. Okay, person, you they worried, you they frustrated, you go drink. I mean, not be so. Okay, maybe we'll say we understand that part a bit. Okay, what of person will be say you they excited? Maybe because of say something happened, you can't they too excited.
So why want drinks?
Maybe the next way want to now to just go drink past boundary. We don't want to talk about that one.
Too. I get small experience on top that one too. The small experience say maybe that person they don't look for children for the past how many years they can't get. The person come bring enough drinks. Say, okay, guys, make a drink they go.
Okay.
And you drink to finish yourself. Yeah, to drink to super. Yes.
Okay, all of the person say the person don't suffer.
Okay.
For many years. Understand me?
Can't get money.
You can't get luck. You can't play this Babi Jebu.
You can't win.
Don't mention Babi Jebu.
No, I'm talking about.
Wait till they mention Babi Jebu.
Money can't come.
Anyway.
Money can't come. And you know say you go just that.
Now, as the money take come, it take go. No good thing in drinking.
Sharply, we go still hold this matter here because we won't quickly do it in enter market, come back. When we come back, we will continue the matter from where we stop. We could enter market. Yes, welcome back. The program na yarn your own, and the matter what they talk about today na drinking and driving. The consequences with the inside them. Okay, we don't look at from different angle. People we don't see them say waiting if they cause drinking na overexcitement, frustration, greed. And my people there, my colleagues, they don't talk from different angles as we take beat them for body. Okay, make we drift small from that angle. Make we also address the consequences with this in the cause. Because by the time you drink, you get results eventually. You get things where this thing they cause.
E plenty. E plenty. First and first, your heart, the person they went to the drink, their heart they function well. They get heart disease.
That is regular drinkers.
Yes, they get diabetes. Only them. Their brain no they function well. So why you won't go tell me say because you get problem or you get frustrated? So the next way you go tell me say to go drink.
But wait, if they start from this angle, what about from the angle of maybe domestic violence? You understand? You drink, finish. You be married, man. You go drink outside, enter. The next way you go do now today do it today punch your wife. Today get matter with your wife every day when you come back looking drunk.
Some go drink. Where we say if they go on street like this, anybody talk to them, they go just where wanka. It don't. They go to call them name. That babolo go down. They come.
This way talking. I say some people will say they will drink enter house, go they beat their wife. Yeah, that one now. That one extra is that one a drunkard. That one let me drink again. Because when person don't drink, you drink not normally. You drink not normally enter house. If you go there over happiness, go with the wife, go stay with the wife. You play this and that.
Some of these people where they drink.
But there's nothing in you drink normally.
Waiting.
Because
what if you drink normally enter your house?
Because
you don't drink.
Because
so you gotta misbehave.
Make you also understand, say, apart from the fact say domestic violence there among, you drink. You know, say they also put yourself at risk. If they try inconvenience yourself, maybe create insecurity for yourself. Because people will go drink, they will say, they like stay late at night. They come back in the middle of the night looking drunk. What is it they expose themselves to?
Thief go catch them, but
they expose themselves to a lot of dangers. To robbery.
So many things.
And probably to an extent to ritualism.
But sure, you know, say get some drivers will be say all those travelers will be say if they never drink, they no go fit travel.
That kind
then they talk that to say if they no drink, make their eyes open, shine. They no go fit drive themselves.
Person go drink. Where this see our road, how you be? Person who never drink. The road they do a mass like.
Yes, so they know they endanger some.
Not be all now.
Some people will come across.
Not be all.
Yes,
The thing about people say if they drink like this, like enter starting, the eye go clear. Give me say, no matter how drink, enter starting.
How where your eye go clear? They call it alcoholic. Alcohol. See as his name even sound.
But some people don't get adapt to this thing, no.
Nobody adapt to anything. Like he said our roads are bad. Now you can't say you want travel. You are not gonna have that kind of car.
Because in the end, make you know say it endanger
your own life.
It endanger the life of the people, your passenger, people you carry. These people you carry might be your family. They might probably be passengers or friends. We don't see cases. We don't see cases of people who drink. Exactly, we drink. Eventually, drive. Waiting they happen. Waiting, you understand? The aftermath no they good.
Sometimes when we there we get one driver where they carry us up and down. The driver, if he drink, you no go sleep in the night. Oh. In the morning where they drive like this, you go just people go tell us, your driver they sleep. You go say no.
You ever say that one no be other drink? Maybe that person don't take another thing again. Person who drank yesterday, this morning again, he still sleep again.
You live that way they talk. Drink na drink. Make you say make not. But with they looking like this, no be this we supposed to even talk about self. We don't raise matter. What be the things we supposed they put in place because there are supposed to be regulations. Government implementing 1 or 2 laws. We go say, okay, if we catch you drink, you understand?
Regulation day, law day, but bribe don't spoil them. Yes, now many people there would say they don't drink. Now police stop there. Number 1, police not get the accurate kits, as in that kind. This is what they go take test you.
Check you to know the level of alcohol.
For obodo there. If you drink, they go no.
Exactly.
Once the police arrest you, you
they
stop.
will give you some tests.
Whether that BRT or something test, they go put you through that test. They go, you are driving under the influence of alcohol.
Sharply.
So therefore, there is a fine for that kind of person. Whether this is a license or something like that.
Make the person do it and adjust.
But for Nigeria here, the card you say you drink. You go for me. I don't drink. It is me. You don't guy. I drink.
Even the policeman don't drink. He don't drink.
Let me tell you something. You talk of you own. Nigeria here, we go there now. Okay, why we say your thoughts say people they drink? Why people they do the drink? Why they never say okay? This is what they do. Say you know good do. When they come stop. When they come stop. No, it's what I'm talk. Wait. For Bodo Yibo, say if they see you where they drive, say they go catch you, test you, say you don't drive. Okay, the person where drink, no person stand up for them.
Bash, wait. I want quickly hear Bash.
See, part of what you talk on a normal law day, but na old school law day that time because they say those time if they catch them na 5,000 naira that they pay those people where they catch to drink. But for abroad, they don't need to see, they don't need to catch you. They don't know say you don't day over your drinking level. They go catch you.
So Bash, what do you try to tell us?
The moment you drink past 0.5, the legal limits, they go catch you.
So Bash, as a matter of fact, what do you try to tell us now? We say we need to recheck the law we don't.
Yeah, they need to renew it because
exactly.
we're all school laws
as far as I'm concerned, there is no law in Nigeria for those people that are drinking. Yes, that's why they always have their ways. If you check the 60% of our sales for Nigeria, now people drivers who don't drink.
Yes.
Now they go some. You understand? Now, but at the time now say people they do the drink. Then what enter what they do the ad, but they put on there drink sensibly. They talk up. They don't say they don't want to sell, but they still advise you for your own good. They say drink sensibly. They never try enough.
There is a limit to it.
There's a limit.
Now, what you going to understand?
So the thing I want to say, some people will be saying, all those some accidents where they happen now. For this, I will do Najana. Say na the cause.
We not say all
No, they don't talk.
No,
but like,
that's
I don't say all of them, but according to statistics, but no, now like 30 to 40% to now alcohol the cause.
You understand? So, say the thing is, and apart
And
from that,
look at those lives.
there are a couple of things you also need to understand about this issue we're addressing. Even World Health Organizations don't even make them very clear to us, say, there's a limit to what we can do. There's a limit to the amount of alcohol we can take as individuals. You know, if health organizations will come out, address people, tell the whole world, say, see this thing, it get limit. You as an individual can't decide to say, this limit, I won't break the record. Can't say, no, that's why we then talk, no bien. Me, I won't set my own record. Can't drink past the boundary. You know to say, it costs something for of course. Because there are health, just as we said, there are health implications to it. There are health implications to it.
Now they go power to arrest person now, but now we say you never put any law.
But are the laws in place? If to arrest, are the laws in place? Do we have the right law that can say, okay, I won't catch this person? Then bribe me, they don't bribe me. I won't catch this person. Make sure say tomorrow, you know, go repeat this way.
I don't talk.
You know, I don't know
that is what Shapali has said. The laws are not functioning.
Now abroad, their law, they
there is stand.
Because that place, if you commit that kind of something, you go sleep for prison. You go pay big fine.
You know, we take our compare with this is our brother Nigeria now.
They talk say our own law here now, old school law. They don't renew anything.
Make them do law. Make them renew the law.
Make them renew the law. Make them renew the law. What will happen now? Be say we go quickly go on our normal special segment, what they call how we do it segment. Make we go see this individual who they focus on today. Make we also at least gather one or two inspiration from him. Will they come back?
You admit you poisoned the king?
No. Of that I'm innocent. I'm guilty of a far more monstrous crime. I'm guilty of being a dwarf.
You're not on trial for being a dwarf.
Oh, yes I am. I've been on trial for that my entire life.
On our How We Do It segment, we dey join body with one of America's veteran actor, the person where them they call Peter Dinklage. Them born Peter Dinklage on the 11th of June for the obodo wey them they call Morristown in 1969. Peter Dinklage, like every normal pikin, attends school. He get his degree for drama from Bennington College for USA. As the only little person wey dey in family, Peter confess say him short stature worry am well when he dey small. Though he come talk say him parents stand like strong rock behind am. Say in childhood under him parents sweet well. Peter Dinklage acting career start when he dey small. As every young actors they pray for a big break, Peter get his first big break role for the movie where they call Station Agent in the year 2003, where he play one ogbonge role like that. He no end there. Him acting career still carry weight. They waka the way he suppose waka. The films where he take part includes Elf, where he do for the year 2003, Death at a Funeral 2007, Chronicle of Narnia 2008, Ice Age, that is Continental Drift for 2012. But the film will come make a heavyweight among actors be the season film where they call Game of Thrones, where he played the role of Tyrion Lannister. This season film even featured different awards and nominations. The popular awards win include Emmy Award in 2011 as a supporting actor for Game of Thrones, Golden Globe Award for the same Game of Thrones in 2012. Peter Dinklage married the lady where they call Erica Schmidt, a theater director, and the two of them get one pikin. Journalists then asked Peter Dinklage one question about his height. When he go answer them, he talk say when him small, say him small size they enter him head well. Him dey vex so much, but him can later realize say as person they grow, you go begin to dey realize say the problem no be your problem. but the problem of the people where they do it, where they look. Now on this note, we will end this special segment of As We Do It for your popular program, Yarn Your Own. Yes, welcome back. The program now, Yarn Your Own, and the matter what they talk as usual now, the matter of drinking, driving, the consequences we they inside. We don't look at from different angles, and my colleagues they don't talk the way it be them for body. Shapari, I know say you get one or two things we still want to tell.
Yes, thank you very much. First and foremost, we want to give you our social media because we know say all this what they talk here. We want more ourselves, send in a comment so that we go know how on feel there. Our Facebook page now www.facebook.com/wazobiatvng. And if that's for Twitter, twitter.com/wazobiatvng. And again, this our program now, we need sponsors. We need people where we say, when I get market on, I want advertise. We go advertise them for you. And we guarantee you say, you go sell well.
This is the best place, my people.
Yes, this is the best place as Bash talk. And I know say, with this same note, I know say I get one or two strong things when I still want to tell our viewers with the house. Based on the matter, don't talk about.
No, I first talk because my body.
They can give you the floor. In fact,
my body hot for him after that.
You drink?
My body, drink with it. I don't drink.
Okay, talk to them.
So then nobody drink like the hot.
Okay, talk to our viewers.
So our viewers who they watch us, I beg. I don't talk say about drink good though, or the drink look good though. I beg. If I drink, that's not the drink. Drink normally. If you want to drive, drink small so that your eye go clear so you go to drive normally. Just no
advice.
No be alcoholic. If you drink more to water. If you drink all of this juice so that your eye go clear.
Part of what you talk say make you drink small. Not true. You know say we know if you stop this drinking finally. At least if you want drink. You will not stop and finally. At least if you want drink to a limit, so we say you go still know what you need. Control yourself. So they put some people live under danger. I beg, just limit them. I beg.
Thank you. My people, make una limit una drink. I know say make una drink. I know say make una no drink. If una feel leave am, it go be jolly for my own. When una want drive.
As the mama where you be.
As mama where you be.
Yes.
As the mama where you be.
Yes. If una want drive, make una no drink because our road no good. So make una please.
Yes.
If
please.
una small, your brain carry.
Sharply.
Me, I go back to the adverts of those where they sell alcohol. Drink responsibly, please.
So on that ground, now I don't hear her from Shapali. She say, drink responsibly. So for those of now when they drink, may not at least may not contain na drinking habit. Make now know what our body feel carry and what our body no feel carry. So now on this note, we go end today's edition of Yarn Your Own. And as usual, they don't give now our social media. Make now go contribute now on quarter. What now feel say it in our mind on this matter. Me now go pour our mind out there. Until we carry on the bonga matter coming our way again next week. As usual. Now well done.